What is up, darlings, and welcome back to Kirsties'Karz. Cannot thank you guys enough for all your support. For real, like if it weren't for you guys and your support, the comments, the teaching me things that I don't even know through comments, like how awesome is that? Like you guys are just like, killing it. I mean, I appreciate you guys so much, and I appreciate you sticking around. I mean, who knows how long this chick's gonna take to get her next video out. That's usually how it happens. It's gonna take some effort on my part, and I appreciate you guys doing your part. You know, likes and sharing and comments and just being there as a support system for me. I just cannot thank you guys enough. It's a mess. I've been pulling out all my Christmas decorations. I'm gonna set up my village. I can't wait to show you guys. I might throw that into this video too. Great. So we're in the Nova. Woo! We're gonna get rolling on this. As you can see, we have some holes in the back floor pans. The floor pans that I got were only the front sections, so it pretty much stopped here. I'm going to go ahead and just patch these holes. My dad taught me how to do the rivet patching, but I'm trying to get better at welding, so I might as well take this opportunity to weld something up. So I went ahead and got this piece of sheet metal here. I'm gonna go ahead and mark it out to fit into this area. So instead of rivet patching, I'm gonna go ahead and try and weld it. I'm hoping that this metal isn't too thin. It is rusted out and stuff, but I'm gonna hit it with some rust barrier and try and get rid of as much of the rust as I can before welding this piece on. So anyways, let's get moving. Even gonna lie, I am so weak right now. Like, after breaking my hand, like my wrist, like it's cold out, and this is my first winter feeling how bad having metal in your hand really feels. Consistent like nerve shooting pains, like all the time, and whew, trying to cut this metal is really showing me, yeah. Boy, times like these, I wish I had a team of people to help me bust this out, but I don't, so it's me, so let's go. Still going at it. Whew. Gotta cook dinner though. Alright, so I'm gonna rust barrier these holes before I weld them. Get all that rust off of there, and then it'll be a nice, smooth, clean surface, and it won't rust underneath. Dang, when you get some good lighting up in here, you see how dusty it really is. It's been forever. How depressing. But I am going to wipe some of it down. Make sure that I get this all cleaned up, and make sure to get off the paint from the spots that I'm going to be welding. And yeah, just waiting for that to dry, throwing some rust barrier on there after wire brushing it. Trying at least prevent that growth, but I mean, But yeah, we're gonna patch it up. So I went ahead and cut it and got it all bent to shape. For the most part, once I lay down a few tacks, I'll be able to pretty much bend the rest. So, just gonna go for it. Any more time that I delay is time delayed, and there's just no time. Saturday night, I'm gonna get to weld. It's been so long since I actually had all this stuff set up to where I could do this. So super pumped. Patch up some holes. Found a few spots while I was grinding down the floor pan welds that, I mean, I could touch up while I'm doing this all. So I might just do that. But I probably should sleep at some point tonight, but not right now. Nope, not gonna happen. Got stuff to do. It's been forever since I had this bad boy out, so I was just going over the machine a little bit. She is all spooled up and ready to go. I'm gonna get my ground set and then I will get rocking on this, and do not judge me too hard. Like I said, I'm not a professional and I have not done this a lot, but I'm learning, so give me some credit.
I'm so in love with you. You got me down again.
Well, in Kirstie's lesson of what not to do. Okay, after so many months of not welding, I forgot to check the battery in the welding hood. Like, I hit the test button and it worked, you know? So I was like, okay, it's good to go. Well, halfway through that, it like died, so got a new battery here. Bam, gonna throw it in and finish this up. Gosh, it's like 11 o'clock at night. I don't even know what I'm doing up still, but I'm just gonna keep rocking it. Oh my gosh, it looks scary. Where did I do with that? Oh. Battery. Slide battery. Into slot. Just like this. A thingamajigger back on this thingamajigger. Which, yeah. That is right. Are you right? Just gotta use some muscles. Don't ever say that again, Kirstie. Alright. Bam! Locked and loaded. Get in your home. Yeah. Yeah. Right. Hey, the test button actually works again. Just double check, you know, that it ain't frying my eyeballs. Just get in the moment. And I really haven't done this in so long that I couldn't tell. Like, they just look dark. It's dark in here. I need better lighting, man. Stay hydrated. Protect your skin. Protect your hair. Okay, I am not a professional. I don't know how many times I can say that. Not a professional, people. That was so much fun though. I've been missing that, so I just got that all welded up. It's alright. It's okay. It does not have to be perfect. Just has to be my standards and my liking. So, as long as it's safe, I'm fine with it, man. No problem. But, okay, so let me show. Yeah, not the best job ever, I'd say. Come back through and grind that all down. I mean, is it perfect? No. Does it look better than the holes? Yeah, it does. Doesn't bug me too much. There's another little hole on that side, but it's just a tiny one. For tonight, it is late. And I am tired. she is smooth as butter. All of it, man. Oh, so nice. Just finishing up the final body prep on this bad boy. Again, not a professional. Paint, something that's always interested me, and I've always wanted to do it myself, so we're gonna do it ourselves, I'm pretty sure. I mean, unless somebody has a bomb deal and a paint job for me, but that's typically not the case with my luck, so I am planning on just doing it all myself. This entire car. It's gonna get done. I'm gonna make it happen. Oh, so thank you so much for joining me. I am gonna head inside, take a shower, get something to munch on, and edit this video. So, bam. I mean, you guys rock. I appreciate you hanging out with me, waiting on me, and just all the support and love. Truly means a lot. And catch you around tomorrow.